iKids.
Hi iKids! Today is New Year's Eve. It is the last day of 2020, and to celebrate, we're going to make a craft together that will help you bring in the new year with lots of fun. We're going to make a confetti popper, and it only takes a few materials that you can find at home. Here's what you'll need. You need some colorful paper or some decorated paper that you choose or make on your own. You're going to want a toilet paper roll. I know it's a little bit silly, but trust me, we'll make it look pretty. You want some glue, a marker or pen, you want a balloon, and a pair of scissors. Make sure that you ask your parents for permission or ask them for help if you need it. So let's do it. First, we're gonna measure how much paper we need to cover up our roll. So you're gonna line it up on one corner of the paper and mark right here on this side. Then you're gonna roll it over and see how much paper you're gonna need. About right there. I'm gonna cut a little bit extra just in case. And then I'm gonna cut it out. Now that we have our piece cut out, we're gonna glue it onto our toilet paper roll. Now that we have that part done, we're gonna let it sit for a minute so it can dry. And in the meantime, we're gonna prepare our balloon. So what you wanna do is cut off just this little top piece on your balloon, just like this. And that will create a little hole at the top of your balloon. We're gonna put that on the bottom of our roll. This is what will become our bouncer. Sorry, that shocked me. Now that we have our balloon on the bottom, we're gonna make a knot here so that our confetti won't fall through. Again, if you need help from your parents on this part, make sure you ask them for help. And this will become your bouncer. Now, you wanna get that colorful paper that you had at the beginning, and we're gonna make our little confetti pieces. I'm just gonna cut a line off here. It doesn't really matter how perfect it is because you just want it to look like confetti. And then I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. Now we're about ready for the fun part. But first, make sure you finish adding on all the decorations that you want on your confetti popper. This is where you can add stickers, you can draw on it, you can add some glitter on it, whatever it is that you want to put on your own confetti popper. For me, I'm gonna write 2021 on it because we are celebrating the new year. Put some lines around it. So here's mine. I think that's about all the decoration I'm gonna do on mine because I'm ready for the fun part. This is where you're gonna load up some confetti in your popper, and when the new year rings, you pop your confetti. You can use this on any occasion. Is it your birthday? Pop your confetti. Is it your friend's birthday? Pop your confetti. Or when the new year comes around, pop the confetti. I hope you had fun making this craft. If you decide to do it at home, make sure to tag us on social media at IKids.IChurch. I can't wait to see it. Bye!